Look here. Wow. Oh my God.
Near this tomb,
Very good.
yes,
Yeah.
we will see some handmade things and maybe buy something. Her price is much better than the bazaar price. Okay, let's look, let's see. Assalamu alaikum. حالنا
Yes.
من أذربيجان.
Yeah. Okay, come and 70 here.
Okay, okay. ما شاء الله, ما شاء الله. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. They are making all of this, crafting from the stones. All are handmade, all are natural. So they can make.
I share how make a brother. Brother,
Name.
I explain to you.
Okay.
So everybody, can you say salam?
Salam alaikum.
How are you? Okay. Here's my family work with alabaster stone. Alabaster gets from the mountain three color. First color, white, look like crystal. White alabaster. Second color,
Good. Do you speak English?
yes.
Okay.
Third color, green.
Okay.
White, brown, green. The three color from alabaster.
All right.
We get the stone behind King Valley, about 5 kilometers. Big rock like this one. Big
All right.
pieces. See?
Yes.
And then the artist here will do it a form by hammer.
Mashallah.
Make a bath, bowl, ashtray, statue, henny, I love it. Here, sir, you start small bath, very heavy. 4-5 kilos. See, Mr. Masa, hold it.
Oh, very,
Yeah, heavy, yeah?
very heavy. Yeah.
Yeah, and second step we do it, we cover the bath by linen and the glue, like a mummy.
Okay.
Why? Don't make a hole inside with metal tool, the piece doesn't crack.
Okay.
That is good. Come closer. That is guy. So حبيبي. After done, finish hole inside and then polish by fire. Second step.
Okay.
After done by sandstone.
Okay.
This is a finished handmade one from 5 kilo heavy. Look how light now.
Wow.
White light, yeah?
Okay.
This bishop of put the light or candle. Look here. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come I show you another stone. Yeah. This is alabaster one, yeah?
Okay.
Here, this artist will do this scarabée. Obelisk. Obelisk. Key,
Okay.
picture, lime and stone. Here, with color. Here, color. What is this with metal?
Wow.
See? The color never fail.
هو عمك ابراهيم
This is the real one.
Very good.
Come. This guy here will do it statue, cat, Anubis, camel, شعير Arab. Look,
Okay.
this is another stone, yeah?
Good.
Come, I show you another artist too. I work another stone. Look, عليك كده شعير Arab. See? Picasso, Picasso,
MashaAllah.
Picasso. Thank you, brother. I'll put it inside.
MashaAllah. All this handmade from there. Yes. MashaAllah.
I have
MashaAllah.
family home, more artists digging, but old one, I can't bring it here. Old
Okay.
artists work. This is a Picasso do it with color, no?
Good. Like before you
Yes,
said.
lime and stone. This is artist look how to finish. Like this, no color. We can knock 4 or 5 pieces and then bend it, yeah?
Okay.
This is alignment stone. This is basalt rose color. Okay? Alabaster rose color. Follow me. Malachite, Allah okay? Basalt stone, handmade basalt, hard stone, very tough. Okay, follow me.
Okay.
Basalt section, like Tutankhamun mask. This is a real basalt stone. They bend
This is alabaster.
inside Egyptian oven.
This is also for candle.
A candle.
Okay.
Special brother for candle. White one.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, this all handmade alabaster. This is basalt rose color.
Okay.
This is close the dark. To show the light off will be dark also. Want to make a picture for this? Close the light for you. Huh?
Ah.
Here. Close the light. Okay.
Okay. Wow. MashaAllah.
Onyx. Onyx.
Onyx stone.
Yeah,
Okay.
alabaster.
Okay. This one is for for
Drink, whiskey, cola,
okay, okay.
beer, Sprite, Rabia.
ما في حرام حرام.
شاي كركديه
حرام ربيع
شاي
حرام.
كركديه
حرام يا ربيع.
شاي كركديه
This stone. Okay. Wow. Looks really, really great.
Brother,
Yes.
this is sir. This is water boy. Grandfather. This very famous boy. This
Okay.
famous boy we find first step from King Tutankhamun tombs from 1922. Here, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So this is about this
Yes.
little guy.
Yeah, this him and this my family. We find Tutankhamun tombs work with English guy with our Carter.
Ah,
All my
mashallah.
family.
I take this
Yes.
photo with you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
All this room here, sir, this is all the stuff my grandfather do. Easy to buy, but if you buy something from this room, for you, no present. So, sir,
Okay.
thank you for listening.
Thank you so
Feel
much.
at home.
Thank you
You hope
very
you enjoy?
much.
You hope you enjoyed, brother?
I enjoyed really.
Yeah, okay, have a look. And now, touch anything. If you like something from here, welcome. If you know, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. I definitely will buy
If
something.
you like it, if you know, no stress.
I definitely will buy something because you really presented everything in very, very nice. What's your name?
Ibrahim,
Sorry?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
You?
Ibrahim. My name is Murad. Very nice to meet you.
That's very good.
Guys,
if you love something from here, for you, no present for friend.
Thank
Why?
you.
I give it to you, certificate.
Okay.
See?
Okay. This is the original
Why?
one.
He's the government give it to us.
Mashallah.
See?
So, you are the official.
Yes. my family very famous here.
Yes.
Why all the
Okay.
customer come see my family.
Okay.
So Murad, take
that's
your
great.
time, touch anything, any item you like, the brothers look Murad. Like
Okay.
this people, choose what you want, only put to me here Murad.
All right.
Like these people. After them,
All
we
right.
have Egyptian price for you.
Okay.
Now we have welcome
Thank
drink,
you.
tea, coffee.
No, I'm okay. I didn't drink
Cola.
water. I have drank water. Okay, I'm okay.
Take your time Murad.
I will look and we'll see what I pick. All right, guys. I will see what I pick. We'll share it with you and go on after that.
Explain.
Yes, please.
Zakat in ancient time, give it to me. Zakat in ancient time, if you open the Tutankhamun tombs, my family, we find big cat and cobra. And find cat alone. Cat alone, protection for house. Cat with cobra, exactly same this one. Cat make bad thing away, cobra for safe.
Okay.
This protection, this cat held together, safe.
Okay.
And protection.
So this one price is higher.
No,
This one
that was the
is
price. No, about
Okay.
what meaning. This is more.
I'm just joking.
Yes,
Yes,
it's extra and this meaning.
Yes, good. Very nice.
Yeah, this is different art. Between this
Very
and
nice.
this.
And what about this? What
cat,
is?
cat with scarab.
Ah.
Scarabée for good luck.
Scarabée.
This is horse protection for house, and this for luck, love, happiness.
Interesting.
Scarabée.
Interesting.
Cat with
Thank you. And what are the approximate prices?
Different price. And decide which one. You like.
Okay. At the end we will
Yes,
decide.
let's decide.
Yes. All right. Okay. All right.
خلاص.
Some things and the so this handcraft,
This one more?
these two small pyramids, these two baggies, I forgot the name, two sphinx, two cats. Let's look the price. How much it made. Okay, we discussed the price.
Yes.
Okay, you tell one by one.
Yes. Egyptian pound brother or
Egyptian pound.
Dollar or cat
Yes.
in money or?
Egyptian pound better.
Okay.
I will pay cash.
Okay. Scarab 200.
Scarab 200.
Egyptian pound
$8 each.
Not eight,
200.
And 100 like $4.
$4. Sorry, $8 to get. Okay. Okay. 400 this.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The Sphinx 1000.
1000.
It's another
MashaAllah.
stone. Another stone. It's
Ah,
hard stone.
this one. Okay.
Look the color.
Okay. So you see the color.
See the color neutral, you know?
Okay. 1000
Oh, I do it
Each.
same price. Yalla, I do it same price.
Okay.
Yes,
1000 each.
yes. And later we'll talk the price all together.
Yes, let's
Here, hold.
No, I just one by one I see one by one.
Yes,
So it's about $19
yes.
for each.
Yes.
Okay. For pyramids,
200.
200 each.
Yalla, same price. Bigger one, no, same, no, 300, so I do it same price.
200. It's also the same price as this. About small cat,
800.
800 is small cat. What about this one?
1,500.
1,500 Egyptian pound. And this one?
2,000.
This one 2,000.
Lime.
Okay. Okay, which one?
Lime stone.
Lime
Exactly.
stone.
Same as the tomb. All the wall
Okay,
inside
okay.
the tomb, building by this one.
Okay, maybe I will take some part of this.
Okay.
Maybe.
No worry.
Okay.
What you want, and I give it to us.
All right. So let's count all
No,
together.
and to make all the price together, and then we'll see how it happen.
2,000 this,
2,000 more. for this thing.
2,000 for this two,
Plus 400.
400,
800.
yes, 800,
Plus 1,500.
1,500 for black cat,
No,
white
white,
cat,
yes.
and
800.
800 for small one. Together it's
7,100.
7,100.
7,100.
100. It's, mashallah, it's 135.
بس ده غالي شوية.
So maybe I will not go with this one.
Okay. Listen. Take this one together.
Yes.
That. Give me this. One minute.
Okay.
Happy?
6,000, 35, 6,035. It's $115.
خد ده ب 800 جنيه.
Okay. Again, I think these are enough, or maybe.
أنا my target make heavy when understand.
Okay. 2,000. 2,000 too much for me. Even it's handmade.
100%.
Yes, it's
I'm sure the
handmade.
art outside.
Okay. About for only this, $35 for only this.
The color never fake also.
Okay.
It's like ancient time, same stone what you use.
Okay.
And we will say now we do the same color. The color, if want you clean this color with water
Okay.
every day, no problem. They only 6,000 dollars. Everything.
6,000.
Egyptian pound. Everything.
What about
About that.
5,000
Everything?
for everything? Or
Listen, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. But I will have it to you here from...
for 5?
ها؟ هو ممنوع والله بس صور عاد بس مش هطول وجهك. ممنوع تصوير والله.
Okay. We decided the price. Without this one, we'll go with all of this for 2,600. What?
7 8 9 10
What is made of 50?
4 5 6 7 8 10
MashaAllah. Good? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright. We will pack it and I will go out. Thank you so much, brother.
Hold this one in your hand
Okay.
and hold this piece.
Okay.